First of all, a huge congratulations to all the graduates because I think they're entering a world of endless opportunities and possibilities and not challenges. They are going to be entering in the workforce at a time, especially in India, when we are going to be on a mission to create the future of India, to create Viksit Bharat, and that's going to be their responsibility. And the role of technology is going to play such a critical and important part in this entire journey. So, I strongly believe that as long as they're true to their values of human centricity, of inclusion, conscious technologists, it's such a strong value that the Institute has built into every single student. I think they will do a fantastic job of leading this transformation. So, my very best to them and my very best to this institute because it's a very unique institute that is creating not just the skills but the right mindset that we need for the future. I think technology today needs women. Let's put it that way. It's not about women who have to join technology. Technology needs women because one of the biggest problems of technology is trust and lack of inclusion. And we have to fix this by ensuring representation from every single sector. And women are half the population or more. So women have to be part of this revolution. And I strongly believe that we have the skills to lead a large part of this revolution, especially to bring back the focus on human centricity and make technology work for humans. So in this world of AI, I think AI needs women more than anything else.